Well, I guess I could have been a little more careful and precise with this job. I kind of cut that notch in the bottom too high and it looks awful. And the meter face is a bit crooked because I put the screws in there wrong. I drilled them wrong, but oh well, it's in. So the meter is a bit tilted and it does zero out with a little control here, but it barely zeroes out. So it's done working, I suppose. So the next step is put it into the Dentron and put the power board in the Dentron and see what happens. So Dentron meter substitute. The old meter is a bit bigger. The meter itself isn't larger, but the face of the old Dentron meter is wider. So I had to cut the face of the Dentron and wedge it in there. So that's what I did. Yeah, you can see where it's a little bigger. So that's been wedged in there. And will it be accurate? It'll probably be close if it works at all. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.